Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The topic that I'm going to discuss is how to empower women. So there are some points or ways how women can empower other women and thus themselves. So let's start the video from the basic some points in which we know that how women can empower the women and themselves. So first of all, the point is validate women's self-expression. Women's narratives are vastly underrepresented in the media and the popular culture. So when you see a woman taking it upon herself to share her story and let herself to vulnerable, acknowledge that act of bravery, functional, naturopathic, medical doctor, and collective member specifically points to social media as a place to enact validation. If you see a woman brave enough to make herself vulnerable and share her personal story on social media, let her know you see her and you honor her truth. This is very big deal that what she is saying, and you have to trust her truth. And if you see another person putting down her personal experience for bullying her, steps in and gently remind them that this is her truth and you applaud her for speaking it. So if one that have a bad experience in her or his life, he has or she has no right to step in her life and torture them, um, torture her or his truth. So first of all, you have to stop them to bullying her. Next is the complement her mind and soul, not just her body. Women already get a lot of commentary about the way they look, about the personality, what they wear. If you are looking to compliment a woman, Brighton suggests describing her insides rather than her outsides. Try to compliment a woman on something other than her looks once daily. She says, we all like to be told we are beautiful, and we also love to heal we are brilliant, here we are brilliant, kind, dedicated, strong, etc. Pay forward the unexpected compliments. So you should not only compliment her personality, you should have also compliment her mind. Next is the check your assumptions at work. Identifying as a woman does not preclude you from bias or automatically mean you are free from responsibility when it comes to pressing others. Recognize the unconsciousness biases you might have against other women based on their race, age, sexual orientation, gender expression, physical ability, body type, and socioeconomic background. Liana Naima, wellness writer and multidisciplinary energy healer, tells check your own unconscious biases and uplift the voices of the women of color in your field who are facing additional biases in the workplace. Unconsciousness biases oftentimes leads to systematic discrimination. Addressing this issue starts with checking your own beliefs and encouraging the discussion of the biases in your workplace when you notice a lack of the inclusivity diversity. So you should not only compliment her mind, her personality, and validation, woman's self expression, you may also have to check the assumptions at work. So in this video we have discussed some steps that are involved in women empowerment.